Welcome to this DMAP-AI tutorial. In this video, I will show how to run a point-based SPI drought analysis. After signing in, we are on the DMAP-AI Research version dashboard. This page contains the main workflow for setting up and running the analysis. The first step is selecting the drought index. In the research version, SPI is available for point-based historical analysis. Next, I select the area of interest. Here I use the point option and choose a location on the map near Ames, Iowa. Now I choose the observation data source. I open the data source menu and select NASA Power for this point-based historical analysis. Next, I define the time settings. I enter the start date, the end date, and the baseline period. Here, the analysis uses a yearly scale with a January to December window. After checking the input settings, I click the Run button. DMAP-AI starts processing the selected location, data source, and time period. The results open in the Table tab. This table shows the yearly SPI output, including the end date, window precipitation sum, SPI value, and drought category. The category column translates each SPI value into labels such as no drought, moderate drought, or wet conditions. Now I open the Charts tab. The main line chart shows how SPI changes over time, with negative values representing dry conditions and positive values representing wet conditions. I adjust the chart bounds to better focus on drought thresholds. Below, the anomaly chart highlights precipitation departures, and the box plot summarizes the overall distribution of SPI values. Now I open the Severity tab. Here, the threshold is used to identify drought events, and the severity chart and table summarize their timing, duration, and intensity. Now I open the Wavelet tab. These three charts show how SPI variability changes over time, which periods dominate, and when drought cycles are strongest. Now I open the Copula tab. This section evaluates dependence patterns, such as the relationship between SPI and lagged SPI. Now I open the Interpretation tab. Here I select the chart that I want DMAP-AI to explain, then click the Interpretation button and wait for the response. Free users can request AI interpretation up to 3 times per day. Now I open the JSON tab. Here, users can view the analysis results in JSON format and copy the structured output for saving, sharing, or further processing. In the Export section, users can choose which charts or data they want to download. This makes it easy to save only the needed results for reports or further analysis. Now I save the current run so the analysis can be used again later. First, I enter a clear project name and a descriptive run name. It is better to include useful information such as the location, drought index, data source, and analysis period. Then I click the Save button. After saving, the project appears in the left side Saved Projects list. This allows the user to return to the same analysis in the future. When the user signs in again, they can load the saved project directly from the dashboard. The results will be available again without running the full analysis from the beginning. This is useful for reviewing results, comparing analyses, and continuing previous work. Thank you for watching this DMAP-AI tutorial. If you use this platform in your research, reports, or publications, please cite and acknowledge the DMAP-AI application.